Alright guys, my dog right here, so I'll try to do this. For my Redneck tip of the day, say you're installing a dipstick and this happens. Yep, that is never going to get tight because it's all the way down in there. It's probably maybe a fingernail width of cinch, so that's not going to work. So what you do, get your favorite beer, drink it, then cut yourself off a little piece like this. RTV, just a tiny little bit, put it on this side, and you don't got to use a lot, just a tiny little bit. Some right here. Slide her on in there. Get in your hole. Get in your hole, son. Oh, there we go. Take something round and clean and stretch her out in there. Stretch her out. Yeah. Get in there. I'm going to pull it up just a little bit. A little more RTV on this right here, just at the top. Don't need much. All right, take this and kind of just finagle her in there. See, now we have a lot more cinch. And we're going to take this with a hammer and evenly tap her into place. Never hit the top of your dipstick. Don't be a freaking idiot. I think we're there. Yep. And voila. She's cinched down. Oh yeah, bud. See there. And of course, when you pull it out, you're gonna have to give a little effort, but oh well. These things are so cheap. Just get a new one.